Hi everyone, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It.
Hi, today we are working outside on my front porch. I am putting out my fall decor.
Put my little fall DIYs that I've been making. So we're going to get the front porch cleaned off. And I'm just going to do a little of this sweeping. So I'm just doing a little bit of sweeping. I'm going to have my son get the blower later, but I want to get this video done before it starts raining. It is August the 25th, and I'm just tidying up a little bit. This stuff is going to go in the garage. That out of the way. So I found this fabulous scarecrow over at Rose's store, and I believe these were $5 a piece. Nice and cute and tall. Now, because I only have one pole here, I was thinking about maybe just wrapping it up around here or sticking it in the dirt just like that, and it just stands up by itself. I thought that was cute either there, or I can put it in the welcome sign. I'm gonna try to push that down just a little bit more so it's a little secure. Next, if you remember my fabulous little 3-tier pumpkins, that's how they came out. And I thought these would be cute to put right when you come up to the front porch. Then I have another one. Right here. And we're going to get the wreath hung up. And like I said, the humidity is really bad right now. It's about 7:30 a.m. and it is my screen door is closing, so that is a plus. Okay, and I think I'm going to move perhaps the welcome sign up now because it's getting winter there. And then I do have these two little corn stalks that are kind of odd out. Stick one here. Two little corns, they look weird. I may have to go get some more to go across here. And then I'm thinking about getting just a couple bundles of hay. But they're so expensive. I was pricing them. They're like almost $15 for a little tiny 3-pack. So I may have to get some boxes and stack them and put the glue the hay on. Who knows? This is my front porch, what it's looking like. I think my DIYs came out beautiful. Alright, here are my 3-tier pumpkins. And this is my front porch setup for the fall. I got that nice little rug over at Aldi's for like $6.99 or $5.99. And then you see my DIY pumpkins. And the kids and I, we made our fall welcome sign. And of course, my beautiful wreath that I did for the front porch. I think that came out beautiful. These are my Dollar Tree corn stalks that I showed y'all in a previous Dollar Tree haul. And if you have a roses, I found these beautiful little scarecrows, and they were $5. Go back. That one's kind of leaning over there. Just trying to fix him. Yeah, so this is my fall entryway to my house. I am so thankful to be able, to share this with y'all and show you my front porch. I think it came out really, really nice. And very nice. Just make sure to come over and hit that subscribe button. Make sure to give me a lovely like, and don't forget to leave me a fabulous comment. I love the comments. That gives me inspiration and motivation, and it lets me know that you are interested in the content here over at If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Make sure to tell your girlfriends, tell your friends, tell your co-workers about my channel. I have close to almost 500 videos. What you think you may be looking for, I most likely probably have it on my channel. So I will see y'all in my next video of how we get all of this organized, put up, and rearranged and decluttered for the fall of 2021. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.